or daughter needs to learn this. You have to teach them. Don't look for the instructor to do everything. I'm gonna roll forward. I'm gonna split this one in half. And this is where the hard work begins. No one wants to do it except for me. I'm gonna move forward. I'm gonna line up and I'm gonna put it in park. Foot on the brake, P. I'm gonna get out. Let's take a look. My car is centered. My front end is near the line. That's pretty good, much better. My car is centered more. This is pretty good. Teach your son and daughter and the clients to do the best thing. I'm very tall. I bend down. I turn my body to the left so I don't hit my head here. I've done it a lot. Put it, seatbelt on, lock the door. I'm gonna roll back, hand, and then I'm gonna turn. I'm looking. You can use the backup camera, but look around. God gave it to a better backup camera. It's called our eyes. And I turn back. The wheel is straight. I'm gonna make a right turn. Look at my frame of reference. And then I turn out. I'm gonna make another right turn. A lot of parents won't take their kids here. A lot of instructors won't because it's work. I'm gonna make a left turn, blinkers on, and I'm gonna split it right in half. I'm gonna straighten up my wheels. I'm gonna roll forward. I don't wanna smash the front end of the car. Put it in park. Let's go take a look. The car is centered, driver's side. Front end is not near the cement. It's centered on the right side. This is a pretty good job. You see the frame of reference. You see the red line, frame of reference. You see the two front lines, frame of reference. They have to know this. Back in the vehicle. Wheels are straight. Seatbelt on. Doors locked. Frame of reference. I'm gonna roll out, straight back. Turn my right turn signal on because I'm going out to the right. I'm looking, I'm checking. And I turn out, hand over hand. Practice turns. I'm making a left turn in the parking lot. I'm by some shops, freaking Pokemon, right? Collector's Arena, China King, cars are coming in, I'm looking, I'm checking. I go across, and then I turn. Then I turn out. I wanna stay in the parking lot, 0 speed, 3, 4, 5 miles an hour, turn on left turn signal, and I stay on the right side. We're in North America, we drive on the right side. Teach your son or daughter that immediately. Okay, let's make a left turn, turning hand over hand, in. I wanna keep it square. I wanna move forward, and I wanna show you I know what I'm doing. So when I show you, you're gonna subscribe, you're gonna say, wow, this guy knows what he's doing. Car centered. Could have moved up a little bit more. I'm in pretty good. Let's take a look. I'm in pretty good. I could have moved forward a little bit, but I'm in. Okay, I don't know what the heck that is. Okay, frame of reference. Remember, I don't want to hit my head. Once you hit your head a couple times, okay, what do? You put on your seatbelt. You lock your door. Okay, I'm gonna reverse back. I'm gonna roll straight back, turning the wheel to the right. The rear will go to the right. Always looking. And then I turn out, hand over hand. I'm scanning. Uncontrolled intersection. I'm gonna make a left turn and turn right in the stall parking spot, split it in half. I come up, I'm gonna reverse, turning the wheel to the right, roll straight back, cut your wheel all the way to the right, turn back, and I'm looking. Now, once your son or daughter is consistent, they can consistently put the car in the spot. They can consistently stay on the right side of the road, R-I-G-H-T. Then let's get out and make a difficult left turn. A lot of people don't want to do left turns because they're dangerous. I'm gonna turn on my left turn signal. I'm coming up to the bottom of the driveway and I'm gonna wait. I'm looking for blinkers, one blinker. I'm gonna move forward. Getting ready to make the turn. There's my gap. I turn, and I'm gonna make a left turn on this intersection. I'm gonna roll forward. And there's my green turning arrow. Left turn's outermost dangerous. I'm gonna turn by the double yellow. This is how you pass. If they go in the right lane, failure. I'm accelerating through using my line here as frame of reference to the left. My line here, frame of reference to the right. This one teaches depth perception. Steering wheel is proper, straight up. Hands are at 7 and 5. State Farm, AAA, particularly AAA. They're really big here in the United States to recommend 7 and 5. We know there's an airbag here.